Hello everyone, this is Sherwin here from TechOS, and today I'm going to be showing you for a quick tip something quite simple but something which has been causing some sort of confusion since iOS 10 has launched, and this is how you can remove Apple stock apps from your home screen. Now by stock applications I mean the apps that come with your iPhone that you don't install yourself, so things like FaceTime, Wallet, Health, App Store, News, Maps, that sort of thing. So with iOS 10, Apple have actually introduced the ability to delete these apps, something which many people have been waiting for a long time. This feature doesn't actually affect me that much because I actually tend to use all the Apple stock apps on my iOS device, but I'm going to show you how you can uninstall them and how you can get them back if you decide to get them back at a later date. Now, as I mentioned, I do tend to use all of the apps, with the exception of a few. So I've got the calculator here, which I don't tend to use because I have a third-party calculator app which I prefer. So I'll show you how to uninstall that, use that as a demo. But if I tap and hold on all the icons, as you're used to doing, I just did that, you'll see, as well as all your third-party apps that you've downloaded wiggling, you can see this Apple stock apps wiggle. Now there are a few which you can't uninstall, such as Messages, Photos, Camera, Clock, Wallet, Settings, App Store, Health, the phone app obviously, and Safari. So they're some of the apps which you can't uninstall, but all of the others are available to uninstall. Now when I say uninstall, this is where some of the controversy comes. When you tap on the X, it doesn't actually delete the app, so I'll try and explain this in the best way. So if I go and tap on, say, iBooks on the cross, what it will say is that removing this app from the home screen will also delete your iBooks data, but any documents and data stored in iCloud will not be deleted. So if you've got any books stored in iCloud, which I assume most people do, because when you purchase a book it gets stored in iCloud, that will not get deleted obviously, it will just get removed from the device, but it's still in iCloud. When it says remove iBooks data, what that means is any data that's stored on your device but not backed up to the cloud or anything. So say you got a PDF on your iPad or even on your iPhone that you have stored on your iPhone but you haven't put it into iCloud, that will get deleted and you'll have to find that from its original source if you want to get it back. So that's basically what that means. So it doesn't actually delete the iBooks application, which you'll see later on why that is. But if I just hit cancel, I obviously don't want to remove that. But what I do want to do is go into calculator. So if I tap on the calculator cross, then it will say removing this app from your home screen will also delete calculator data. So that's fine. There's not really much data associated with the calculator, so I'll just tap remove. So that's now gone, as you can see. If I hit the home button, I can continue using my iPhone as I always do. So that's how you can remove them. So what it's done is it's removed the icon, but the actual calculator app is still on here. If I want to get this back, what I have to do, go to the App Store and search for whatever app you want to look for. In my case, I've already done it here, calculator. And if I tap on it, I can actually see this little cloud icon and tap on that. And as you see, it downloads it instantly. So basically all it's doing is it's re-downloading the app icon and putting it onto your home screen. So the reason it does it instantly is it doesn't have to download all the code that needs to run the app, because that stays on the device when you hit that cross. So effectively it's the same as hiding the app icon, it's not actually deleting it. So that's how that works. And also if you go to where it says Apple under calculator, if I tap on that, as well as all the iWork and iLife and other applications Apple make, which are obviously optional for your device, if I go down, you'll start to see some of the stock Apple apps which you can remove. Now obviously for me it just says open next to them because I have got all of them still on my device, but if I say deleted mail, next to mail there'd be a cloud icon. I can go there, tap it and download the mail application icon again. So just scroll through and see any of the apps. So this is where you go to actually re-download your apps or the app icons onto your home screen. So it's a much better way. Instead of having it all clogged up in settings, they've decided to put it in the App Store where you can easily access it, which is one of the reasons why you can't actually delete the App Store, because obviously then you wouldn't be able to get the apps. But anyway, that's it for this video. It's a very quick one, just showing you how you can remove stock apps, something that's probably quite unknown since iOS 10 came out. Everyone's used to not being able to delete stock apps, and now finally you can. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you've got any questions or comments on anything in this video, or if you just need general help and support with your Apple devices, then do get in contact with me using the details that are in the description of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.